Hello everyone. Today I show you two ways to preserve Roselle after harvest. First, soak in the water, and the second method is drying. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. This is our Roselle at the backyard. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like and share my video. Thank you. I have a bunch here, about 5 plants, and it gives a lot of fruits. And this is from last year, and I made this video and it's still in my device. So today I decided to upload so that I can share it with you. So after I harvested, I wash on the flowers. They called calyxes. And now I remove the seeds. The seeds part cannot eat. So you have two ways. You can break up like this, or you want the calyces whole. You don't want to break apart the calyces. You can do like I do. Cut up the bottom and then use chopstick or some thing to poke it through. Here I go again. Cut a little bit at the bottom and then press it into and then remove. You see the seed come out whole and your calyxes stay whole. That way, if you want to decorate your food, you still have the whole beautiful flowers. So all of them are clean and dry. So and this is my jar. I sterilize that as well. And now I do pack them into the jar. And after that, I will cover them with sugar. This is the good way to preserve all natural quality of it, because we don't cook. I have in the past some videos of cooking them. One to make it syrups and one make it into jam. You can check it out. I leave the link in the description box below as well for you. Today this is soaking cover in sugar without cooking it. Normally they will put one layer of Roselle and one layer of sugar, but I find that if you do so, it's a lot of sugar, and I try to avoid using a lot of sugar. So that is the way that I pack them too many underneath, and then I cover the top. And usually, to make sure, cover them in sugar, otherwise they go bad. And that's it. This is the second day I check it. The sugar fell down a little bit, so I took some sugar and cover it again. Like I said, the key here, you don't expose your vegetables to the element. And on the third day, you can see the liquid exudes from the calyces, And I continue cover where the exposure is. I cover with sugar. And until about like a week or so, the calyces almost go into half of the jar, and I try to press them into the liquid, because the liquid now is a sugar liquid, so it will preserve our calyces. Once in a while I make sure I open and try to see if on my calyces is under the water. And that's it. You're done with the first method. You can put the jar into the refrigerator for later use. Someday you want to make drink, you just take out, put some water, and you like tartness, you can add lime, lemon, and put some ice, and you have a drink. Now the second method of preserving is drying. I pack on the calyces onto the surface there, and I dry them in the sun. Florida sun is so strong. It takes about 3 days, then you are safe. But to be sure, I go for the 5th day. And now you can see they are completely dry, and I pack them into the tea box. And before I close the lid, I will put a bucket of silica. That means a gel that you buy something. They normally include a silica bucket for you, and I save them for this kind of work. I pack the silica into the tea box as well, so that they extract any moisture in the box, and my Roselle tea will be protected. And that's it. I hope you like my video and find it helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.